Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so you can safely remove system apps. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This gives your computer permission to talk to the device. Install ADB on your computer and connect with a good USB cable. Once done, run a DB devices to verify the phone appears. If it does, you're ready. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery to avoid shutdowns mid-process, because an interrupted removal can cause issues. Next, you identify the exact packages to remove and test the removal without system-level deletion. List system and user packages so nothing is guessed. This prevents removing essential components. Use PM path to confirm the APK location and package name, because names can be non-intuitive. Then run a user uninstall command, pm uninstall kuser0, to disable the app for your current user. If the app disappears and the system remains stable, you've validated the change and can proceed with permanent removal options. Finally, perform permanent removal only after successful testing. If you have root, remount /system as read-write and delete the specific APK, or use a root-enabled uninstaller. Without root, consider editing OTA blocking XMLs or keeping user uninstall. Reboot and verify core functions like calls, Wi-Fi, and play services. If something breaks, stop, boot to recovery, and restore the backup or use ADB sideload to reinstall the APK. One key tip: always keep a full Android or ADB backup so you can recover quickly if the device won't boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.